Hey guys, this is Amirsdxxz and welcome back to another video. And I have to apologize guys because it's been a long time since I made a video. And while browsing through, my life and everything, I was looking up my YouTube channel and I noticed that not a lot of you guys unsubscribe to my channel. It's like 4 to 5 of you guys. Well, 4 to 5 people that actually unsubscribe, because if you're unsubscribed, you might not watch this video again, or never watch my video again, because you might think that I'm a loser and I don't make videos anymore. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, today I bring you another video on how to hack Amirsdxxz World. So, the reason why I made this hack is because I know a lot of you guys might want to know how to hack it, and you don't have a rooted device. You wonder how to hack it. Well, don't worry about it guys, because I actually am going to show you how to do it without the rooted device. So let's start. Alright, what you'll be needing guys is actually your game, which is Amirsdxxz World, and you'll be needing the infamous Lucky Patcher. I know you might say, I tried to do it with Lucky Patcher and didn't work. Don't worry about it guys, because I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Basically, if you used to try to do it with Lucky Patcher, alright, if you already had tried it once and it didn't work, it's because you didn't do it properly, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So, you need Lucky Patcher, your game, and you also need an app which you can browse to your phone, like Root Explorer. And don't worry about it, you can actually download it for free. There's the trial version and there's the full version. This is actually the full version because it actually has the R on it. First of all guys, I will need you to go to Lucky Patcher. Now, I'll need you to search for your game, of course. You're already familiar with Lucky Patcher. So, look for your game. Where is it? Alright guys, I found it. Sorry about that. I have a lot going on it. So, once you click on your app, what you have to do is you go to menu on patches, go to create a modify APK file, and go to the 4th settings and type rebuild app. Alright, actually on Lucky Patcher, if you actually have at least 2 patch patterns on green, you actually have 80% chances that it works, so don't worry about it. If you at least have 2 greens, then it's good. So type OK. Now here's where things get tricky guys. Now once you're done that, you go to your browser app. Now here's where things get a bit tricky guys, if you're not used to phones very well to do this kind of hacks. So what you'll need to do is to go to your Android folder and go to OBB. And if you look carefully guys, you should be able to see a folder that says com.ubisoft.Amirsdxxz World. So what you need to do is to type on it and hold it and actually cut and paste it anywhere else you might remember, and I'll just place it here because to me it's easier. Alright, so I'm going to explain you guys what I just did there. What I just did there is actually getting the core, I call them core, getting the whole game to another directory, because we're going to actually uninstall the game and installing the modified APK. So if we don't remove the patch from the OBB folder, you will actually lose it while uninstalling the game. Next, you just need to uninstall your game. Don't worry about it. Alright, but before you do that guys, make sure you back up your progress on the cloud settings. On Facebook or anything else, you can back up your data, then press OK. Alright, once you have successfully removed the game from your device, go back to Lucky Patcher. Alright, and under there you'll see it says rebuild and install. You press on it, press on Lucky Patcher, press on modified, you press on Amirsdxxz, then obviously you press install. Okay. Alright, so let's wait for it to be installed. This is actually the modified APK guys, the one that we actually rebuilt on the Lucky Patcher app. Alright, Now, what I want you to do, guys, is to not press open. Press done, because you didn't install the core on it. I call it core, you know, because it's a whole game patch. Now go back to your whatever browser app you have, and press on game patch, cut it, and put it back to the OBB folder. As simple as that. Alright, now for this one to work, guys, you'll actually need an active network connection, because it has to think that you have a network connection. So give me a minute, I'm going to pull up the game. Alright, we're now in the game, guys. Oh, just a quick tip, you can actually update your game while you have your crack on, which is actually amazing, guys. So you don't actually need any modded APK, you know, you can actually update it like you want it to. Alright, now if you're actually starting a new game, you will have to play it, of course. Just play it just a bit. Me, I'm just going to play it and die instantly. Not instantly, but die as quick as possible. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to go somewhere where I can die very quick, which I know most of us playing the game don't really want. Yeah, so you just have to sit here and basically die. Which to me, as a video game player, I don't really like doing is to lose, because you know, in life you're already losing, and you're losing a shark. Alright guys, let's just give the shark some space to die, you know. Yeah. Are you serious? What? What the fuck? Alright, just click anywhere, guys, to remove the saving option. Okay. Now you actually gain access to other stuff like purchase items and do other stuff. Alright, now that we are back, you can actually select and choose and purchase anything you want. But right now, what we are going to do for it has to work, guys, you actually need a network connection to do so. Because if you don't have it, it won't recognize that it has a network connection to trick it to think that we're going to purchase something. So, next up, you need to click on this plus icon here. Alright, now you can choose any of these selections. I'm going to choose the highest one, of course. Type on it, and there you go, just select yes. Alright guys, as you can see, we actually successfully, amazingly hacked the infamous Hungry Shark's world. And as you can see, it doesn't only hacks the goals, of course, it actually hacks the germs too. There we go. Alright, and like I told you guys, this can actually be updated. No rules required, no basic modded APK required, so it's actually very simple, very unique to its style. So yeah, this is how to hack it. And to make sure this is not actually staged or, you know, any fake stuff, I'm going to just buy something and make sure that it works. There we go. And I'm going to buy something that works germs. And there you go, guys. Like, as you can see, it's not staged, it's not fake. You know, there's a lot of people that are making fake stuff, but this is actually real, legit, 100%. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you have any comments or suggestions, or this hack is not actually working for you guys, feel free to comment down below. And also, I'm going to place the Rule Explorer, the Lucky Badger, and also the game if you like to, in the description. So, this was Amirsdxxz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, and stay tuned.